March 3rd, 1972. Right here on Riverside Drive in Loveland, Ohio, police officer Ray Shockley saw something crossing the road in his headlights. A 3 to 4 foot creature with leather-like skin. It stood up on its 2 legs and climbed over this exact guardrail, disappearing down the embankment towards the river. 2 weeks later, another Loveland officer had the same encounter in this spot. I have placed trail cams on the other side of the guardrail facing the Little Miami shoreline to watch for anything still moving through here. I am Bruce with the Paranormal Brew. Subscribe and turn on notifications. The next clip might be something we've been waiting decades to see.
I'm here in Loveland, Ohio, investigating the Loveland Frogman. I came across this little boutique, which is a really cool place. It's right behind me. All the merchandise in the windows. They also have Loveland Frogman merchandise. They do little classes. And this building here is pretty significant. It was the original bank. So at the entrance right here, you can see bank. So the owner just walked me through this shop here, was telling me about the history and the potential of it being haunted. This shop is called Lemon and Lime Boutique. So I am right here. I think I'm going to set the my trail cam somewhere right here up on this bank. There's a few kayakers here. Insane, it's raining, but right now everything's really muddy. I'm not seeing any kind of, there's a couple prints and stuff like that, but really nothing as like a print what I would only assume a frogman would have. But this is the ideal place for one of my trail cams, since right behind the camera is the exact road and the guardrail system the police officer seen the frogman jump over. So it's going to be raining for the next few days like this. I think this area gives really good coverage for that and access to whatever might be coming in and out of this river system and up through here. So I'm going to set this trail cam up overlooking, and I think this is going to be a very, very good place. Alright, so got the trail cam station all the way down here up the bank. I'll show you where it's facing at. I'm going to leave this down here for a few days, see what it captures. So pretty much the trail cam is capturing all of this, all this bank. You can see something's been coming in and out of this bank. So the weather is horrible. but in a few more days I'm going to come and kayak this whole entire system in search of the frogmen. And like I mentioned, my kayaks are set up and equipped with about I've got 3 kayaks and I've got 7 cameras that are equipped and attached to each kayak. So we're going to do about a 20-mile trek through via kayak. It's like a perfect location, something hiding out, getting out of the rain, getting out of the elements, coming up here to eat. So if anything comes through here up on this bank, I will catch. So like I said, we are hoping to get viable evidence of the frogman. So I'm back at the spot where I dropped the trail cam off a few days ago. So let's see what's taking place down here. Looks like the water is a lot higher than the last time I came. You can see how dark it is and how fast it's moving. So doesn't look like footsteps of any kind of what I would call frogman footsteps or anything like that. Let's go down here, check it out. Yeah, the water level is a lot more higher than when I came here and set up the trail cam. So where is my trail cam? Looks like it is not here. Damn it. Oh. It's on the ground. Look, unbelievable it didn't get knocked off into this water. So here's the exact view it was looking at. It's overlooking the, looks like an old railroad bridge. So this is the exact shoreline that the police officer saw the Loveland frog coming over the guardrail off the road back down into this shoreline right here, and somewhere it vanished right around this spot. So hopefully my trail cam has picked something up and it didn't fall off in 5 minutes of recording. That would really suck. So alright, SD card still in. That looks promising. Alright, looks like there's a few, looks like I caught a couple things on here, so I'll have to review the evidence and post them later.
Wait, Dad, while we're doing this, do you think if we have another trail cam, we could put it at Caesar's Ford and see if we can get Bigfoot the same time?
Bigfoot the same time as the Loveland frog?
Yeah.
That would be amazing.
Because if we did, maybe we can know where all cryptids come out at once. So they're not just, oh look, there he is in the morning. They can't all come out at
You're
once.
trying to find a pattern?
Yeah, like it could be Loveland, Nessie, Bigfoot, where it could be Bigfoot, Ghost, Aliens, Nessie, Loveland. And if we do that, then we can find out time span and when to be there to find it.
Yeah, it'd be excellent to find the pattern to, you know, paranormal events. It'd be a lot easier to track and to prove. So I set the trail cam up for the second day. The first day, some guy came and knocked it down about 2 hours after I set it up. So this time I went farther downstream. It's not as good as picture or vantage point as my first one, but there I'm going to have to say that there's not going to be anyone that's going to mess with it this time. It's way off the beaten path.
I found a dog man print or something. It's big.
Olivia found a dog man print. It's big, she said. Oh my gosh. Where's your dog man print at?
Right there.
So that dog man print is a deer. So this is Bruce with the Paranormal Brew, and we are out of here. But that was just the setup. The real investigation happens next. A full night kayak search on the Little Miami River, hunting for the Loveland Frogman in the dark. I am Bruce with the Paranormal Brew. Subscribe, hit the bell, and get ready. The next video drops soon, and we're going all in after dark.